f of 1 is 1, f of n is 3n minus f of n minus 1 for all integers n greater than 1, then the value of f of 2023 is fine. So let's do this. In typical fashion, we put f of 1 is 1. We'll say f of 2, 2 into 3, 6 minus 1, which is fine. F of 3 is 3 into 3, 9 minus 5, which is 4. F of 4, 4 into 3, 12 minus 4, which is 8. Subtract this number. F of 5 is 15 minus 8, which is 7. F of 6 is 18 minus 7, which is 11. Excuse me. Wonderful sequence. We've got a bunch of numbers. Now we say, hey, is there a possibility that we can carve something out of this? 1, 5, 4, 8, 7, 11. A nice sequence. I would have been very happy. It's not. 1 goes up to 5, comes back to 4. Goes up to 8, comes back to 7. Goes up to 11, maybe it will come back to 10. Yes, 21 minus 11 is 10. So, plus 4 minus 1, plus 4 minus 1, plus 4 minus 1 is what's happening. 4 minus 1 is 3. Another way of thinking about it is from here, you can say 1, 4, 7, 10. That's a sequence. 5, 8, 11, 14. That's another sequence. Both of these sequences are arithmetic progressions. This one has an arithmetic progression, first term 1, common difference 3. This has first term 5, common difference 3. That's it, we are through. Now we need to find f 2023. f 2023 will be part of this sequence, the odd term sequence, f1, 3, 5, 7, 9, that sequence. So we say, hey, f of 1, f of 3, f of 5, f of 7, f of 2023 is an AP. This term is 1, 4, 7, 10. What is this term? If you write down odd numbers, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, what is the nth term for f 2023? If I call this as the first term, this is the second term, the third term, the fourth term, this is the nth term. This is 2 minus 1, 4 minus 1, 6 minus 1, 8 minus 1, or nth term equals 2n minus 1, which is 2023, or 2n is 2024, n is 1012. Nth term of this AP, where n is 1012, is a plus n minus 1 into d. A is 1, n minus 1 is 1011, common difference is 3. This is our answer. 1011 into 3 is 3033, plus 1, 3034. Excellent question. Write down few terms, see if there is a pattern, carve out the pattern, extract the arithmetic progression, find which term corresponds to f 2023, plug in Tn equals a plus n minus 1 into d, simplify that. F of n is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 till n plus 1, and g of n is sigma k equal to 1 to n, 1 by f of k. The least value of n for which g of n exceeds the value 99 by 100. Calm down. I cannot process all of this, so I'm going to come down and do what is f of 1. F of 1 is 1 plus 2, which is 3. F of 2 is 1 plus 2 plus 3, which is 6. F of 3 is 10. F of 4 is 15. F of 5 is 21. F of 6 is 28, and so on. Sum up to n plus 1 integers is f of n. I have formula for that. F of 1, 2, 3 till n plus 1 is n plus 1 into n plus 2 by 2. I can say f of n is n plus 1 into n plus 2 by 2. F of 1 is 2 into 3 by 2. Yes. F of 2 is 3 into 4 by 2. Yes, that is 6. 4 into 5 by 2. 5 into 6 by 2. Yeah, nicely works. Now what is g of 1? G of 1 is 1 by f of 1. What is g of 2? 1 by f of 1 plus 1 by f of 2. G of 3, 1 by f of 1 plus 1 by f of 2 plus 1 by f of 3. So this is 1 by 3. This is 1 by 3 plus 1 by 6. 1 by 3 plus 1 by 6 plus 1 by 10 and so on. Nice, brilliant. So now we are on to something. So we want to find g of n where g of n exceeds 99 by 100. So 1 by 3 plus 1 by 6 plus 1 by 10 all the way up to 1 by f of n should be greater than, should be greater than 99 by 100. Want to find the smallest n where this happens. Presumably it keeps on growing and it reaches a point where it is greater than this. It may be a convergent sequence but could reach more than 99 by 100 at some point of time. We need to find the smallest n for which this happens. F of n is 1 by, f of n is n plus 1 to n plus 2 by 2. So 1 by f of n, I'm going to simplify that. 2 by n plus 1 into n plus 2. Now I know I can break this into partial fractions. I know this is now 2 times 1 by n plus 1 minus 1 by n plus 2. I'm done, because the moment I write it like this, I can simplify this. So this expression becomes 2 times 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3, which is 1 by 6, 2 by 6, 1 by 3, plus 2 times 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4, plus 2 times 1 by 4 minus 1 by 5, all the way till 2 times 1 by n plus 1 minus 1 by n plus 2. This is greater than 99 by 100. The beauty about breaking into partial fractions into series like this, a bunch of terms get cancelled. Minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by, remember all of them are multiplied by 2, so I can cancel this. Finally I'll have 2 times 1 by 2 minus 1 by n plus 2 greater than 99 by 100. The smallest n where this is achieved, that's my answer. 99 by 200, so 1 by 2 minus 1 by n plus 2 is 99 by 200. Bring this side, 100 by 200 minus 99 by 200 not equal to, greater than 1 by n plus 2. 1 by 200 greater than 1 by n plus 2. n plus 2 greater than 200. Or n, if it are 198, it will be equal. N should be greater than 198, or the minimum value n can take is 199. Absolutely brilliant question. We write this f of n, we write g of n, we break f of n expression, 1 by f of n expression into partial fractions, write the summation, and then solve for the inequality. Delightfully tough question. Maybe I shouldn't be saying delightfully tough. The polynomial 4x power 10 minus x power 9 plus 3x power 8 blah 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 blah, when divided by x minus 1 leaves a remainder 2, the value of c plus 6. Simple funda, we use the idea that p of x divided by x minus a, remainder is p of a. Polynomial remainder theorem. This is p of x. This question tells us p of 1 is equal to 2. P of 1 is very easy to calculate, only the coefficients 4 minus 1 plus 3 minus 5 plus 3 plus 2 minus 1 plus 1 minus 4 plus 6 minus 2 is equal to 2. Solve this, get c, and then find c plus 6. Freebie question, especially in the context of the rest of this paper. 4 minus 1, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 minus 5, 1, 1 plus c plus 1, 2 minus 1 is 1, plus 1, 2, minus 2, minus 2, plus 6, 4, 4 minus 2 is 2, equal to 2. I'm going to verify this. 4 minus 1, 3, 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 minus 5 is 1, yes. 2 minus 1 plus 1 is 2. Minus 4 minus 2 plus 6 4 minus 2 2. Super. 1 plus c is 0 or c is minus 1. C is minus 1. What is c plus 6? Minus 1 plus 6, 5. Done. Through. Just because a nice simple question, I want to check one more time, not mark some wrong answer. Answer is 5. C is minus 1. C plus 6 minus 1 plus 6, which is 5.